A terrible fire took place in the house of Debabrata Modak, a resident of Dhaleshwar Jail Ashram Road area of the capital. The fire was brought under control with the efforts of 2 fire engines. However, a bookstore and a pathology were destroyed in the fire. Again, a terrible fire took place in the capital, Agartala. This time, the incident took place at Dhaleshwar Jail Ashram Road at Debabrata Modak house. The fire was brought under control with the efforts of 2 fire engines. However, a bookstore and a pathology were destroyed in the fire. The son of the owner of the house, Debabrata Modak, said that they lived on the 2nd floor of the house. On the ground floor, there is a bookstore and a pathology. On Monday morning, after his mother came downstairs, she saw smoke coming out of the room. Immediately went to the 2nd floor and told his son about this. Firefighters were immediately summoned at the spot. The fire was brought under control after a long effort by the fire brigade personnel. He also said that it is believed that the fire may have started from the short circuit of electricity. However, before the fire brigade personnel brought the fire under control, pathology along with the bookstore was burned to ashes.
তো ফায়ার সার্ভিসে ফোন করছি, এরা আইসে তখন অলরেডি আগুন অনেক বেড়ে গেছে।
কিসের দোকান?
এরা ওই বাচ্চারা কাগজ কলম এগুলার রং তুলির দোকান।
কী মনে হইতেছে, কী ধারণা, মানে কীভাবে লাগছে আগুনটা?
কোনো দরজা তো বন্ধ, আমি সামনে কেমনে আমরা আগুনের ইয়ে দেখে সেটা ভিতরে গেছি।
কীরকম ক্ষয়ক্ষতি হয়েছে দেখছি আনুমানিক?
কিছু বোঝা তো না, আমার পেছনে প্যাথোলজিও আসলো, এটার থেকে আমার প্যাথোলজিতেও গেছে, ওইটাও কিছু নাই। তারা ফায়ার সার্ভিসের তারা না গেলে কিছু আইডিয়া নেই, বন্ধ জানা আছে, বন্ধ আছে।
মালিকের নাম?
দেবব্রত মোদক।
এই জায়গাটার নাম
ধলেশ্বর জেল আশ্রম রোড।
However, the extent of the damage could not be ascertained at the time of writing. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini Khorang.